Merry Christmas, everybody. But I know for some people, the Christmas season brings back memories of hurt, of pain, of loss. I'm just here to say, stay strong. Christmas season, cards, gifts, and food. Last year you were excited, this year you're not in the mood. A lot has happened, I perfectly understand. I pray for your healing, I'm with you, take my hand. I pray that God restores all that you have lost. I know that you're in pain, but I believe you will smile again. Last year decorations, you put up a beautiful tree. This year none of that, because of a change in your family tree. A regular face is missing, they are no longer there. I wrote this poem to tell you, stay strong my friend, I care.